Welcome to the Concrete Oasis, where we're using augmented reality to celebrate water, our most precious resource, as well to elevate our collective consciousness. Behind me is one of our more successful tests of bringing water to Pershing Square.
Pershing Square was the social hub. People used to come together, socialize, and drink water from the same fountain, a fountain that represented all the different aqueducts that gave LA its water. Where today, this fountain holds no water. And this is a symptom or a manifestation of a major problem that California and other states are facing. So we hope that this project will allow Pershing Square to hold the opportunity again to bring people together and for them to share in this collective need to take care of our natural resources. And all of this in an experiential, innovative, and social way.
This is Don. I am the VP of Partnerships at XR Masters, one of the tech partners and sponsors of this AR Cloud Challenge. Our spatial authoring and browsing mobile app utilizes Augmented City's GeoPost service. Augmented City is also a tech partner of this project. For our app to work at a location, that location needs to be scanned or digitally mapped beforehand. Then the point cloud of the location is created on the cloud. Once the desired AR content is uploaded to our content server, XR Master's mobile app can be used for authoring and browsing persistent and shared AR content.
Hi, I'm Jan Erik Vinje and I'm all the way from Norway. As the managing director of the Open Air Cloud Association, I am super excited that we have had the opportunity to be a technical partner to the AR Cloud Challenge.
I'm really privileged in order to creatively sustain and help this project to get a life. And I will do whatever is possible in my artistic realm and conceptual realm to support this mission.
Okay, so that we've taken Jen's 3D model that he modeled in Medium. We passed that into Maya and we've given it some UVs. And we've, from a top-down view, we've popped that same riverbed into Substance. We've given it a material. And on top of that, we've made a mask that masked out the area that we want to put the water path through. This is a quick pass on it, but it's enough to get us started.
So we deal and start to deal differently with water and have a different perception around water. It's a unified field. We cannot separate ourselves from it anymore. And that's exactly where my graphical and artistic inputs come from. We can show now energy flows we couldn't show before.
In this project, we have tried to make the water as realistic as possible, and that is why we have added some transparency, some refraction, as well as some movement. Doesn't this look like a real water? And now, this project is waterful.
We're creating a multi-user social interaction that promotes behavior change. These are running faucets, and they're going to be placed around the location. When the user turns off the water, more water will be available for the concrete oasis to flourish. Our intention is that people will become more conscious of the impact they have on the water ecosystem and their communities.
In the past weeks, our global team have been scanning, creating, building, and testing with leading edge technologies on the open air cloud. We've learned a lot about the limitations of the technology, what doesn't work, and together with our tech partners, we're excited to be moving the boundary forward.